Alrighty, so in this video I'll be covering company info, products available, unboxing some products, and then sharing my final thoughts and conclusion. Stay tuned for a review of these products after I've tested them for a while. Yeah, without further ado, let's talk about Forte Series. Alrighty, so products available: texture hair clay, which I've had for a while. There are product photos on my Instagram. I might pop one up in here when I'm editing. And that's going to be $22. Sea salt spray is $14.50. Hair thickening spray is $18.50. Styling cream is $22.50. Molding paste is $22. Hydrating argan oil is $20. The pomade is $22.50. The hydrating conditioner is $19.49. The clarifying shampoo is $19.90 approximately. And the texture spray is $24. The freeze spray is $26.50. Yeah, and I'll have Forte Series linked down below. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alrighty, so got the unboxing camera angle here, so you guys can see the presentation, and then we'll switch back to the main angle afterwards. But I wanted to try something different for this unboxing. Alright, so here we go in the box. This is the presentation you can expect. So we got Forte Series Dop Kit. Check that out in a second. And we got the Forte Series clarifying shampoo. This nice black box. Forte Series on the side. Really slick branding on these. Definitely like that. Some information right there. Yeah, very nice. And these are in 8-ounce bottles. The conditioner and the wash. White box for the conditioner. Very nice. And then next we got the Hydrating Argan Oil Daily Hair Serum. So argan oil is known to help with hair growth, with hair health. Yeah, ForteSeries.com. Check out Alex Costa's YouTube channel down below. I'll have that linked. We got the molding paste. So this is going to be a lightweight hold hair product. So I'll be testing this out. And that's a 2.5 ounce container. And we've got the Grooming Kit, which came free with my order because I bought this a couple weeks ago and they were doing a their 2-year anniversary sale. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the contents of the box. Alrighty, so let's talk about the stuff that I have here, starting with the Forte Series Dop Kit. We got a front pocket here for like some smaller stuff. See in there. Feels like leather. Smells like leather too, so I'm guessing this is made of genuine leather. I'll confirm that down below. You got another pocket. This is the main pocket for you to store a whole bunch of stuff. Got the zipper pocket here as well. I have a handful of Dop kits, but this is definitely one that I'll be using regularly. Got the handle on the side there, so you can hold it or hang it. Forte Series right there. Forte Series right there. Super nice. Nice, pretty good sized Dop kit. Definitely like that. Next, we got the Grooming Kit, which check this out. Got a bunch of things in here. These came free with my order, which is cool. That's the deal they were running. So, again, nice leather pouch with a nice high quality zipper. You open it up and you have some trimming scissors, little cleaning cloth for the stuff, some nice black tweezers and nail clippers. Yeah, you got Forte right there. Very, very nice. Yeah, I'm definitely taking this so far. Really nice presentation. And we got the molding paste. This nice black box. And so it's got a graphic on the back there. Shout out to you guys. And then it says level 2 hold, half level shine, 1.5 level texture. So medium hold, low shine, medium texture. Got the instructions there as well, which is always nice. Alrighty, and so got the instructions right inside there. Might be backwards for you, I'm not sure. It looks backwards for me, but that'll probably switch for you guys. But just gives instructions on how to use it. And then inside you got this the molding paste in this nice black container. Forte, big letters on the side there. Very, very nice. And this is a 2.5 ounce. Alex Costa's signature right on the top there. This is matte, so it's definitely picking up some fingerprints, but really, really nice looking package. And next, we got the Hydrating Argan Oil. And yeah, so like I was saying, got the argan oil here. This is a 2.5 ounce as well. Nice clear bottle. Looks like glass, but I think it's like a nice like a high quality plastic. That might be glass. Manufactured for Forte Series in Burnaby, BC, Canada. Oh, cool! So they make this in Canada. That's awesome. At least the argan oil. So that's cool. Let's see if there's any smell to this. Not really. It's like a bit of a freshness, but no like crazy smell. Which I feel like it's good for hair products because it doesn't mix with. Obviously, if you've seen my channel before, I predominantly do beard products. So that has a scent to it usually. Let's see this paste. Oh, cool! You got this little safety seal. You just lift up, and that's what it looks like. A little bit of a nice, fresh, clean scent there. That's nice. I like that. Let's lid back on properly. There we go. And then next we've got the Hydrating Conditioner, and then the Clarifying Shampoo. Alrighty. Then you got the important tip right there. It says thick conditioning mask, better results. Leave the conditioner in your hair for at least 3 minutes. Interesting. Okay, that's good to know. All right. Then we got this nice 8 ounce white bottle. Very, very nice. Also manufactured in Burnaby, BC, Canada. That's cool. Awesome. Heck yeah. And then next, last but not least, we've got the Clarifying Shampoo. Lather and massage your scalp with your fingertips to make sure the shampoo removes all styling product buildup. And then at forteseries.com/tutorials, they have a whole bunch of tutorials on how to use these, which I'll link down below. And then got the nice black 8 ounce bottle for the shampoo, so the wash and the conditioner are easily distinguishable, which is definitely a nice touch. Manufactured for Forte Series in Burnaby, BC, Canada. Yeah, so it's awesome. Made in BC, Canada for the most part. Yeah, it's the wash and conditioner. Wash, conditioner. Really, really nice. I like the look of these for sure. Really high quality bottles. Before we wrap up this video, we're gonna test this Doff kit from Forte Series. I'm gonna put the shampoo, conditioner, let's move this over, argan oil, yeah, so you can definitely fit a pretty good amount of stuff in here. That's just the Forte Series stuff. So I can definitely fit like a toothbrush and toothpaste and maybe a couple of combs. Oh yeah, and I also have the trimming kit. So fit that in there. There you go. You got all your Forte products all nicely set up. Yeah, that's definitely what I'll be storing these in when I travel at some point. But yeah, and everything fits in there. You just grab it by the handle and you're all set. You can even put stuff in this outside pocket. Yeah, just wanted to show that to you guys. Give you an idea of what the how much this can fit. Yeah, it feels solid, nice zippers, really, really nice overall. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Yeah, so you got Forte Series by Alex Costa on the Grooming Kit. And then you got the 8 ounce Forte Series Hydrating Conditioner. And then you've got 8 ounce Clarifying Shampoo. Cooling Peppermint is the scent on this. And you just flip that up and then, oh yeah, that's peppermint, all right. Yeah, definitely. I like a subtle peppermint. I like it. You got the, let's make sure that's closed properly. Got the 2.5 ounce molding paste. Nice black container. And you've got, last but not least, you got the argan oil as well, which I'll be testing out as well. Yeah, I'll be testing all this stuff out, using it in depth, and then I'll be sharing my thoughts on this in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Product photos as well. Gonna do those right after I shoot B-roll for this probably. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.